what's up, and welcome back to the channel of JK World 035. And we are back with the series of book reading Atomic Habit. So today's episode is 28, and the chapter is the conclusion of this whole book. So I will read just a small one page as finish of this book. The secret to result that last. There is an ancient Greek uh, parable known as the Socrates paradox, which talks about the effect of small action can have when you repeat it enough times. One formulation of the paradox goes as follows: can one coin make a person rich? If you give a person a pile of 10 coins, you wouldn't claim that he or she is rich. But what if you add another and another and another? That some point you will have to admit that no one can be rich unless one kind can make him or her. So we can say that the same about atomic habit. Can one tiny change transform your life? It's unlikely you would say so. But what if you made another and another and another? At some point you will have to admit that your life was transformed by one small change. The holy grail of habit change is not a single 1% improvement, but a thousands of them. It's a bunch of atomic habits taking up, each one a fundamental unit of the overall system. In the beginning, small improvement can often seem meaningless because they get washed away by the weight of the system. Just as one coin can won't make you rich, one positive change like meditating for 1 minute or reading one page each day is unlikely to deliver a noticeable difference. Gradually, though, as you continue to layer small changes one top of one another, the scale of life start to move. Each improvement is like adding a grain of sand, the positive side of the scale slowly tightening things in your favor. Eventually, if you stick with it, you hit a tipping point. Suddenly, it feels easier to stick with good habits. The weight of the system is working for you rather than against you. Over the course of this book, we will look at dozens of stories about top performers. We would hear about Olympic gold medalists, award winning artists, business leaders, life saving physicians, and star comedians who have all used the science of small habit to master their craft and wallet to the top of their field. Each of the people, team, and companies we have covered has faced different circumstances but unlimitedly progress in the same way through a commitment to tiny, sustainable, unrelenting improvement. Success is not a goal to reach or finish line to cross. It is a system to improve, an endless process to refine. That in chapter 1 I said, if you are having trouble changing your habit, the problem isn't you. The problem is your system. Bad habits repeat themselves again and again, not because of you don't want to change, but because of you have the wrong system. So, at this book draw to close, I hope the opposite is true. With the 4 laws of behavior change, you have a set of tools and strategies that you can use to build better system and shape better habits. Sometimes a habit will be here to remember and you will need to make it obvious. Other times you won't feel like starting and you will need to make it attractive. In some case you may find that a habit will be too difficult and you will need to make it easy, and sometimes you won't feel like sticking with it and you will need to make it satisfying. So before behavior are effortless here, behaviors are difficult here. So obvious, invisible, attractive, unattractive, easy, hard, satisfying, unsatisfying. You want to push your good habits towards the left side of the spectrum by making them obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Meanwhile, you want to cluster your bad habits towards the right side by making them invisible, unattractive, hard, and unsatisfying. This is a continuous process. There is no finish line, there is no permanent solution. Whenever you are looking to improve, you can rotate through the four laws of behavior change until you find the next bottleneck. Make it obvious, make it attractive, and make it easy, make it satisfying, round and round, always looking for the next way to get 1% better. The secret to getting results that last is to never stop making improvement. It's remarkable what you can build if you just don't stop. It's remarkable the business you can build if you don't stop working. It's remarkable the body you can build if you don't stop training. It's remarkable the knowledge you can build if you don't stop learning. It's remarkable the fortune you can build if you don't stop saving. It's remarkable the friendship you can build if you don't stop crying. Small habits don't add up, they compound. That's the power of atomic habit. Tiny changes, remarkable result. So, so this is the conclusion of this book. So, if you like this book, once I suggest you read this book once in a life. This is a good book. If you stick with good habits, your life is so better. If you stick with bad habits, your life is starting good, but ending is so bad. So that's the main thing. Bad habits starting is good, but ending is not good. But good habits starting is hard, but ending is so good. So yeah, that is a this book conclusion. So if you like these episodes of series, this book reading series, like a hit, subscribe to the channel of JK World 035, and so that is the series of this book. So thank you so much for watching. So bye bye. We will meet in another series of book reading with another book. So yeah, I will provide my all affiliate links in description. If you want to interest, please click the links, and I will provide good links, not bad links. So if you want to know about these links, check it out. So bye bye guys, take care.